Hey, 9mm, my brothers, my keeper was serving that ether before I did features. My mama see that she know how to greet me, she know how to keep me, she better not get greedy. I hit the lottery. Tell me your thoughts and you better not lie to me. It's like a narcotic. Ain't I'm a product of my new community, ain't I'm a product. Torching that gas, we torching that gas, we blowing up fast, we blowing up fast, we put on that mask and come with that cash. Yeah, yeah. Check, I got a motive, I'm right at the border. You know what you know, but don't tell it to cops. Ain't leaving no evidence, cut off my locks. I'm covered in money, I'm covered in money. These bitches, these niggas, they always so for me. I'm covered in money, I'm covered in money. Just stop at the 100, I go back to crack. Before they try to get the trap, I heard what you talk to the judge. I've been getting money like this for a while. Hey. How I get in this predicament? Maybe I'm guilty or innocent. Visually everything working out. Wishing we all can go back in time. You holding the grudge, I'm holding them slugs. I'm full of them drugs, it's all in my mug. Everybody trying to settle out, hoping we can take a better route. Told the DA all these calls about. Told the DA about this jury on. I don't do no talking on the phone. You bitch ass niggas ain't nothing but a clone. I'm covered in money, I'm covered in money. These bitches, these niggas, they always so for me. I'm covered in money, I'm covered in money. Just stop at the 100, I go back to crack. Before they try to get the trap, I heard what you talk to the judge.